Hey, what's up guys? Chris here with Absolute Guitar for Beginners, helping you learn, create, and build your confidence while playing guitar. I'll help take your playing guitar to the next level. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. But in this video, I'm going to show you the 7 natural major chords from A major to G major. So let's get started. So first I'll tell you the names of the open strings, just in case you don't know. That's E string, low E string, A string, D string, G string, B string, and high E string. Okay, so the first one, the A major. So you have A, C, sharp, and E for an A major chord. So A, and then 2nd fret on the D string, 2nd fret on the G string, and 2nd fret on the B string. And if it's too hard to use those 3 fingers, you could just bar it with your first finger, like this. Now the second one, B major. I'll show you a bar chord from the 5th string. If that's too hard, you could just do it like the A. Just move it up 2 frets. That's a B, and that's a B chord. A major chord, B major chord. Now the C major chord. You have C, E, and G for a C major chord. 3rd fret on the A string, 2nd fret on the D string, open on the G, and then 1st fret on the B string. Now D major is the notes in the D major are D, F sharp, and A. Open D string, 2nd fret on the G string, 3rd fret on the B string, and 2nd fret on the E string. That's the D major chord. Now E major chord, you have open E, then 2nd fret on the A string, 2nd fret on the D string, 1st fret on the G string, and then B string is open, E string is open. And what that means by open is there's no fingers on those strings. F major, that's the bar chord. Easy way to do that is to bar your first finger on the 1st fret of all the strings. And then put your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. And then your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. And 3rd fret on the D string. If that's too hard, you could go down to the D string, 3rd fret, G string 2nd fret, and B string 1st fret, and E string 1st fret. Same thing as this. You're just not playing those top strings. Just not playing the E and A strings. Same notes though. And then G major chord is a G, B, and D for a G major chord. So 3rd fret on the E string, 2nd fret on the A string, open on the D, open on the G string, and then 3rd fret on the B string, and 3rd fret on the E string. Another way to play the G chord is 5th fret on the D string, 4th fret on the G string, 3rd fret on the B string, and 3rd fret on the E string. Same thing. This is just movable. That's a G, F, and then back to A. So if you made it this far, I'm going to show you bonus material. I'm going to show you the 7 minor natural chords. So the first one, A minor. Open A, 2nd fret on the D string, 2nd fret on the G string, 1st fret on the B string, and open E. Next one, B minor. I'm going to show you B minor 5th fret bar chord. 2nd fret on the A string, 4th fret on the D string, 4th fret on the G string, 3rd fret on the B, and 2nd fret on the E string. Now, C minor chord, just move up 1 fret. Same thing. Here's the B minor. Up 1 fret. That's the C minor. I'm going to show you an open D minor chord. Open D string, 2nd fret on the G string, 3rd fret on the B string, 1st fret on the E string. That's the D minor chord. Now E minor chord, the easiest chord to play, would be open E, 2nd fret on the A string, 2nd fret on the D string, and the rest are open strings. Now F minor, almost the same as the F major. On the 6th string bar chord, to make the F major minor, you just lift that 2nd finger up and it makes it minor. Or you can also play it down here. Remember, here's the F major. The F minor from the 4th string would be 3rd fret D string, 1st fret G string, 1st fret B string, and 1st fret E string. And G minor. Do the same thing. Okay, here, go up 2 frets. 1, 2 to the 5th fret. So you have 5th fret on the D string, 3rd fret on the G, B, and E string. And then back to A minor. You got value what I just taught you? Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified for any more videos I make. And I'll see you in the next one.